You can effortlessly collect customer information from Contact Form 7 and automatically store it in your Mailchimp campaign lists. This feature automates your marketing efforts by ensuring that new contacts are captured and organized without manual input. This guide will help you understand and implement Mailchimp integration in Contact Form 7. Navigate to WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new, search essential add-ons for Contact Form 7, install and activate the plugin. Navigate to the Contact Form 7 menu, Essential Add-ons, Global Settings tab, Integrations, Mailchimp, Enable Mailchimp integration. Enter the Mailchimp API key in the input field. To find API key, navigate to the Mailchimp API page, create a key, enter API key name, and click Generate Key button to generate API key. Navigate to any existing form or create a new one. Scroll down to Essential Add-ons Additional Settings and navigate to the Integrations tab. Enable the Mailchimp integration if it's disabled. Here you can configure audience list, subscriber email, subscriber first name, subscriber last name, and subscriber phone number. Copy the shortcode and paste it inside any page or post to start capturing submission data to Mailchimp. After submitting the form, submission data will be stored in the audience list directly to your connected Mailchimp account.